proud of you back again.
Yeah.
See if we can get.
Okay, and the last, of course, is about the fact that we're a nonprofit organization, and I always appreciate your help. We accept blankets.
What are you doing, you goofy?
She's like, oh,
She's for adoption.
if I could adopt a cat, I would. But I'm allergic, unfortunately.
Oh.
Oh, you're just making a big contribution.
Scooter, what you doing?
Okay, and this is some.
She says that's enough. You know you're just making a fool of me.
That you want to take home if you don't like it, and there's added things that we can do for you back here in the back. Okay, so if you'll read
Maybe
it,
Pam's got the magic touch.
read it for me.
No, she's like, I'm on camera. I'm not doing it anymore.
No, Lupine didn't come today. It should be here tomorrow.